Transform your videos from overlooked to unavoidable with thumbnails so good, they practically beg to be clicked. Let's dive into crafting killer YouTube thumbnails using the power of Midjourney first. You'll want to open your Midjourney bot. Typically within Discord, think about the core message and visual style of your video. What is the one thing you want a viewer to instantly understand? Begin by crafting a descriptive prompt. Don't just say "be specific." Imagine your thumbnail is an advertisement for your video. Include keywords related to your video's content, desired style like cinematic, cartoon, photorealistic, and even color palettes. For instance, if your video is about baking a cake, you might prompt something like a close-up shot of a perfectly frosted chocolate cake with sprinkles, bright studio lighting, food photography. Midjourney will then generate for unique options based on your prompt. This is where the real magic starts. Examine each image carefully. Which one best captures the essence of your video? Look for strong composition, vibrant colors, and clear subjects. Once you've identified a strong contender, it's time to upscale. This will create a higher resolution version of your chosen thumbnail. Select the Upscale button beneath your preferred image. This ensures your thumbnail will look crisp and professional on any device. Now, you have a high-quality, generated image perfectly suited for your thumbnail. You can then take this image into your preferred editing software, like Photoshop or Canva. For any final touches, this might involve adding text overlays for your video title, adjusting brightness or contrast, or adding a watermark. Upload your finished thumbnail to your YouTube video and watch those click-through rates soar with Midjourney. Creating professional, attention-grabbing thumbnails is now accessible to everyone, helping your valuable content reach its full potential. Start experimenting and make your next video unmissable.